Hey, how you doing? This is Sai and I'm back with another video. In fact, I'm back with part 2 of the topic that we were discussing, is the cost of running an affiliate marketing business. Okay, so this is part 2, a continuation from part 1, of course. So before we move on to part 2, I'm just going to quickly recap on what we did, what we went through in part 1, and I've put the link also in the description below for part 1 if you haven't seen part 1. So I'm going to quickly, as I said, go through a quick summary. Okay, so in part 1 we discussed like affiliate marketing is basically a business, so you need to, there's some costs involved in investing in a business, right? So it's similar to affiliate marketing. You need to invest in some tools and resources to run and operate your business. Okay, so what we looked at is, first thing we need is domain name. Domain name is a unique address on the internet, just like affiliateship.com is my domain name. You will have your own domain name, and it will store, host your website, and all your content and information about your affiliate offers and all that, all the value that you'll provide, all will be under your domain name. Okay, so that's your domain name, so you definitely need that. So it costs, you're looking at $10 to $15 a year. I use Namecheap because they give me some free extra security like SSL, domain privacy. So Namecheap is a very popular one. So that's cost. So domain name is first thing, $10 to $15 a year for a domain name. Okay, so it's not much, to be honest. Yeah. So website is the next thing we need. So website, obviously your website will be stored under your domain name. So it will store your content, as discussed, all your value driven pages, marketing page, everything you're going to store on your website. Okay, your if you have a blog, for example, you can store on your website. So your website will be a valuable piece of asset, if you like. Okay, an online asset that will be served for you, and potentially generate traffic, leads and sales for you 24/7, 365 days a year. Okay, so your website will be online, active, promoting your offers, affiliate products and information that you have about your offers. All right, so it's very crucially important to have your website. So the next thing, cost of website relating to web hosting, which we're going to discuss next. Okay, so web hosting, web host is basically internet storage, right? Just like a computer where we have our hard drives which stores our files, like File Explorer, you see your files. Web hosting is similar, but on the internet it will store your website. Okay, it will host your website, and basically it will be available online 24/7. Okay, so that's your web hosting. You need that, okay, to store your content of your website. So cost for the website varies from free. You can get free hosting, but as I said in the first video, that you get what you pay for, right? You can't depend on free, but you don't know if it's how long it's going to be online and offline, this and that. You want something that's paid, just reliable, established, reputable. Okay, so the popular ones that I've used myself as a web host is Bluehost and HostGator. And third one, which I'm currently using, is A2 hosting. The reason why I went for A2 hosting is because, as I said in part 1, that I wanted to host multiple websites under one hosting. So what I did was, I basically, with A2 hosting, you can customize your your server, the web host that you're going to have. You can customize, you can add some extra resources, hardware resources like RAM, processing power. And I went for A2 hosting so that I can add a bit more power on my website, so they run a bit faster and better performing, because I'm going to have multiple websites on them. So that's the only reason I went for A2 hosting. But when you're starting out, you can definitely, not even starting out for general affiliate marketing, you can go for Bluehost or HostGator, no problem. They're both great hosting. Okay, I've used them myself, as I said, and I will have no hesitation going back to them and using them again. Right, in fact, I'm actually thinking of using Bluehost for my next website actually. So definitely two of the top ones again. So email Autoresponder is the next one you're going to need. This is a software that will be used to maintain the most important asset in your business, okay, which is your email list database. Your email Autoresponder has two main functions: allow you to build your list, okay, and second, you will use it to communicate with your audience by sending them automated and real-time email messages. So about offers, you can provide value, build relationship, trust, and all that. All these things that you're going to do contribute towards your affiliate marketing growth. Okay, so basically it's an important tool because you're going to be communicating with your audience, and your audience is the people that will give you the money, right, that you're going to promote offers to. So the cost for Autoresponder is usually based on how many subscribers and they charge on a monthly basis. So two popular ones that I've used myself, Aweber and Getresponse, which are also affiliate marketing friendly. Be careful, some are not affiliate marketing friendly, but these two are definitely are. Aweber costs about $90 per month for 500 subscribers and comes with a free 30-day trial. Getresponse about $13 for 1,000 subscribers, and the price drops if you pay annually, or even longer term, and it comes with a 30-day trial. I haven't tried both. I personally prefer Aweber. It's just, you know, my thing, and Aweber at the moment I'm using, and you can try either of them if you want and see for yourself how both they are doing. Okay, so as I said, they come with free 30-day trial. So next thing we need is marketing software. So marketing software are basically specialized software for creating highly converted, proven marketing pages. Okay, so we're talking like, for example, affiliate marketing. We're going to need pages like landing pages, sales pages, bonus pages, pre-sale pages, bridge pages. So these are the common types of pages that you'll need specifically to create for affiliate marketing. And you can create them. Obviously, to create them, you need special marketing software. Yes, you can create them with even your basic software, web design software. But if you want to create professional looking pages, you're definitely going to need marketing software. Okay. So if you're not comfortable with the techie stuff about web designers, you don't have to worry about it, because most of the top marketing software, they come with a simple drag and drop style interface where you don't need no web design or coding skills. Basically what you see is what you get type design software, and it's very easy to use, like drag and drop. Okay, so there's no problem there. It's very beginner friendly. One particular software that is very beginner friendly is ClickFunnels. Okay, I use this myself, and I've personally tried many different softwares. I can say, ClickFunnels is the most friendly, advanced. Also, if you want to go advanced, and it's a great piece of software. It's a joy to use, and actually once cancelled my ClickFunnels subscription. Checked out some other software, cheaper ones out there. But as I said, ClickFunnels is definitely the one. That's why I even came back to it, because I just find it a bit frustrating on the other ones. It just literally, ClickFunnels saves you more time. The other ones you can get to the same result, but it just takes you a bit more time. But time, if you know the value of time, is the most important value of anything. So time you can't get back. That's why if you can save time, even if you have to pay more, definitely go for it. Okay, so I value my time. That's why wherever I can save time, I will do it. Right, so that's that. ClickFunnels is the one for me. So with ClickFunnels, I said, it saves you time much faster. You can create pages literally in minutes, and it's all cloud-based. Don't need no software. It's the moment you sign up, you can start using it. Okay, ClickFunnels, it works out around $97 per month, and I believe it's well worth the price. If you want to check the others, I'll give you names. Thrive Architect is one of them, or the next one's Optimized Press, one of them. You Optimized Press and Thrive, you have to run under a software called WordPress. Okay, WordPress actually you'll probably install automatically when you do your web hosting. Okay, but we'll probably discuss that in another video. Next thing is what's the other one I used? Lead Pages is the next one. Lead Pages is another one that I used. Yeah, that's alright as well, but as I said, I prefer ClickFunnels, but you can check those out. ClickFunnels 14-day trial available if you want it. Okay, next thing is tracking software. It's also referred to as link tracking software. Helps you find out and measure your marketing campaigns. How are they performing? Okay, so it's very important. For example, if you're doing paid advertising, you have two variations of ads running to promote a landing page for an affiliate offer. You can utilize tracking to find out how many clicks and conversions both pages receive. So, let's say one page received 10% conversion, the other one received 40%, and you can clearly see one is underperforming, the other one is highly performing, and that can save you time. You can stop the 10% one and increase more ad spend the 40% one. So you're essentially saving time, saving money and making money. Okay, so link tracking is a must if you want to, of course, save a lot of money and make a lot of money. Okay, so link tracking starter plans, depending on the softwares, range from about $12 to $30. I personally use ClickMagick as one top piece and great value for money. And ClickMagick also comes with a free 14-day trial, so you can check that out. Next thing is traffic and advertising. So if you want to grow and scale up your campaign, your affiliate marketing business, then one of the ongoing costs will be traffic and paid advertising. Okay, in other words, generating traffic. The traffic is basically real people visits your website. Offers paid advertising can be any form of advertising that will get targeted audience to your offers. Some example of paid advertising are Facebook, Google, Bing, Twitter, media buying, print media. You're listed with so many options. Through trial and error and testing, you learn about the different traffic generation methods that for affiliate marketing, and of course you will implement them. So you should set aside ongoing budget to invest in advertising. Remember, don't think of advertising as an expense. Think of it as an investment. Okay, you go with paid advertising. It's simple to get more money in than you put in. So, for example, if you put in $1, you should try and get out $2. This could be even over a period of time. When you engage in paid advertising, you learn as you go along and how long it will take to get your return on investment back, subject to, of course, profitable campaigns. So if you want to attend a free workshop training on our traffic generation by one of the top marketers I know of, an 8-figure affiliate marketing who's managed to generate over 500,000 visitors in a single day. That's crazy, that is. Then I've got this training for you. I'll put the link in the description. You can check it out, and I think you'll learn quite a bit about it, and it's important, why it's important to grow your scale and business with paid advertising. Okay, next thing you'll need is ongoing training and education. So ongoing training is very important in your affiliate marketing business, as learning and training will improve and develop on your skills and knowledge in affiliate marketing. As like with many industries, you need to regularly keep up to date with what's working and what's not. So ongoing training education definitely need to invest in. Okay, cost varies from course to course, could be anything from $3 to hundreds. Some comprehensive programs cost thousands, but don't worry about all that. If you're starting out, you can always start with free content. For example, check out some resources that I've put together, various training resources. I'll put the link in the description below, and you can check it out. So I've got some guides, free trainings, free funnels and websites to get you started, and definitely worth check out. It's free training. So that's about it, really. That's the cost that you'll need. So we went through, part 1 and part 2. You can check them out again if you check them out, so you know exactly what you need to run a sustainable long-term affiliate marketing business. Okay, there's 3 options out there. You can start affiliate marketing for free, but I tell you this, as I said, if you want to go in for the long haul, and build this real online asset, online business that you can potentially generate your income for long term, potentially for life, then you definitely need to invest in those tools, so that you create a rock solid business, a foundation, for your affiliate marketing business. All right, so that's about it for now. If you'd like some free resources, as I mentioned, free resources on affiliate marketing, free trainings and all that, guides, check out affiliateship.com/free. I'll put the link in the YouTube description below. And in that, if you go to these resources, I'll probably put in that training that I was talking about, the free traffic training, in those in this pack of resources for you. Okay, so thanks for watching again, and hope you like this video. If you haven't watched part 1, check out part 1, and of course part 2, just watching it now, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks again, see you later.